Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated car power inverters. Sometimes a power bank just won't cut it if you're set to go on an all-out road trip. When you'll be needing a bit more power than what a USB port can offer, a power inverter can give you just enough juice for gadgets and appliances. Nowadays, power inverters for cars come in all shapes and sizes, and some are even strong enough to power tools and tech in remote locations. These highly versatile units prove to be a must-have if you frequent the road. So if you only want the best there is, you've come to the right channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you the 7 highest rated power car inverters available on the market. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the car power inverters that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first car power inverter on our list is the Krieger power inverter. The Krieger delivers 1,100 watts of continuous power with 2,200 watts of peak power. It features 2 standard North American alternating current outlets plus 2 USB ports. Included in the set are a wired remote control ANL fuse kit and 3 feet long battery cables. In terms of size, the unit measures 9.76 by 6.69 by 3.5 inches and weighs 4.41 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Krieger power inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: clear LCD display. This shows the inverter's battery output wattage, input voltage display, and notifies if the temperature overloads. Large internal heat sinks. This delivers enhanced dissipation of heat when used for an extended period of time. High-performance capacitors. These give you the ultimate peace of mind if you're needing to charge equipment with heavy surge loads. High-frequency transformers. These allow for power conversion at its maximum efficiency. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the included cables are a bit short for most user preferences. The second car power inverter on our list is the POTEK car power inverter. This 500-watt car power inverter by POTEK delivers 1,000 watts of peak power and features dual 110 AC outlets and 2 USB ports. The USB ports allow it to charge phones and tablets simultaneously, while its AC outlets are ideal for charging laptops, lights, and other larger devices. With dimensions of 7.1 by 4.1 by 2.2 inches and weighing just 1.1 pounds, it makes for an ultra-portable travel kit. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the POTEK car power inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: built-in cooling. The unit features a cooling fan that prevents the unit from overheating. Safety features. POTEK features a number of safety features such as overload, short circuit, and over or low battery protection. Illuminated digital display. This allows you to identify the current status of the inverter, such as input and output. Numerous inclusions. The set comes with a car cigarette plug, 2 car battery clips, and 2 fuses. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has a large amount of drain, so be sure to disconnect it from the car battery after using it. The third car power inverter on our list is the Maxpart car power inverter. Maxpart delivers a maximum of 1,000 watts of power with up to 750 watts of surge capacity. It is equipped with dual 110 AC outlets and 2 USB ports. In terms of size, the unit measures 12 by 7.6 by 3.6 inches and weighs 3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Maxpart car power inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: smart system. The digital display shows the DC input voltage, temperature, or fault codes to keep you aware of the inverter status. Innovative cooling system. The built-in temperature-controlled cooling fan dissipates heat and increases the effectiveness to help the inverter operate safely. Solid build. The inverter features a durable and sturdy aluminum casing for enhanced longevity. Protective features. The inverter has advanced protection against overload, overvoltage, overtemperature, and short circuit. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is don't place the inverter under direct sunlight, since this may damage it over time. The fourth car power inverter on our list is the Ampeak car power inverter. Ampeak delivers 1,000 watts of high power with up to 2,000 watts of surge capacity. It is equipped with 2 AC outlets and a single 2.1 USB port. In terms of size, the unit measures 8.19 by 5.91 by 2.76 inches and weighs 3.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ampeak Car Power Inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety features. It has a mini-slip fuse that protects against overvoltage, low voltage, overload, short circuit, and overheating. Cooling fan. The built-in temperature-controlled cooling fan increases efficiency as well as dissipates heat for maximum safety. Smart digital display. The LED indicator allows you to monitor the inverter's overall status. Solid build. Ampeak is made with a durable ABS shell to protect it against shock or damage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the fan is a bit loud, but effectively keeps the unit cool nonetheless. The 5th car power inverter on our list is the BMK Car Power Inverter. This 200-watt inverter by BMK features 2 AC outlets and 4 USB 6.2 ampere charging ports for multi-purpose charging. We would also like to highlight that BMK is incredibly compact and lightweight, measuring 3 by 1.3 by 9 inches while weighing 0.79 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BMK Car Power Inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: intelligent LCD display. This allows you to see the voltage of the battery when it is connected to the cigarette lighter plug. It also shows the current of the USB ports as you charge your devices. Safety guarantee. The inverter protects against overheating, under or over voltage charging, short-circuiting, overloads, or overcharging. It also has a built-in 50 ampere fuse to protect the auto inverter and your devices. Silent cooling fan. The inverter has a cooling fan built in that automatically runs faster when the unit gets warmer. On and off switch. This allows you to control the car adapter electric plug for added safety. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cord is a bit short for some users' preferences. The 6th car power inverter on our list is the FOVAL Car Power Inverter. FOVAL delivers 150 watts of power and includes 2 USB ports and a single AC outlet. What makes this unit stand out is its incredibly compact design, measuring just 3.7 by 2.5 by 1.5 inches. It is also the lightest product on our list, weighing just half a pound. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the FOVAL Car Power Inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: automatic fan. The smart cooling fan operates silently and runs faster when the temperature rises. Staple protection. Thanks to its built-in fuse, FOVAL features full protection against short circuit, low voltage, overcharging, overvoltage, overload, and overtemperature. Solid build. Its durable metal housing ensures maximum protection against drops and bumps. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it won't be able to power larger appliances due to its small power capacity. The 7th car power inverter on our list is the BESTEK Car Power Inverter. BESTEK offers 300 watts of continuous power plus 700 watts of instantaneous power. It features 2 AC outlets and 2 smart USB ports that intelligently detect your devices and deliver the optimal charging current for fast charging speeds. In terms of size, the unit measures 4.8 by 3.1 by 1.9 inches and weighs 0.63 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BESTEK Car Power Inverter a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: solid housing. Its case is made of aluminum alloy that keeps its internal components safe. Smart cooling fan. It operates silently and automatically runs faster when the device gets warmer. Isolation voltage protection. The safe charging design protects the unit from under and over voltage charging, short-circuiting, overloads, and overcharging. Versatile 24-inch cigarette lighter plug. This allows you to plug the inverter into almost any vehicle. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the sockets are placed a bit close to each other, so we don't recommend using it with a large plug adapters. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated car power inverters, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next car power inverter roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.